Leftovers? Easy. Foil keeps it fresh and heats faster.
Eenee, why is there foil in the microwave?
Relax, Dula. It's just foil.
That's not just foil, it's a metal. It's a lightning starter. Okay. Why is it sparking?
Microwaves send out electromagnetic waves that make water molecules vibrate. This heats the food. And, mind you, aluminum foil is packed with free-moving electrons. These electrons start moving fast when waves hit them. At sharp edges, the charge builds up and boom! Sparks!
Those sparks can damage the microwave, or worse still, start a fire. So, not exactly a heating hack?
Unless you want to make early New Year fireworks. Lesson learned. No foil in the microwave. Food, not fireworks. Chemistry is everywhere. Know it. Stay safe.